Good morning everyone, and welcome back to Lazi-Low Collectibles, and welcome back to a brand new video. This week on the turntable we have this Matchbox salmon mixer for restoration. Okay, so after the turntable, let's take a closer look of this little Matchbox. This is number 26, I don't know if you can see, and this says here, fodder salmon mixer, made in England by Lazi-Low, and we got one rivet in there, and we got a pin in there. And as you can see, the salmon mixer is broken, also is full of probably clay. So I have a replacement, which is here. So I'm going to use this replacement part. You can cut them off and you can put them together. So I will drill that out, and then this will come off the base, and then I'm going to have the salmon mixer bit. I think I have to break this off, because there is a pin in there, like a rivet, and I need to take that out, but I don't know how I'm going to do that yet. I've got a few of these. I've got 4 of them. This is the older one with the grey wheels, so that's why I decided to do this one. Shouldn't be a too difficult restoration. No windscreen, no interior, so should be easy busy. So I will take this apart and I'll come back. So I did drill this through, and obviously that's the base. And as you can see, I still cannot see. I mean, yeah, I still cannot see where this, so I think I have to break this off in order to see that. No idea. So this has to come into pieces. I mean, I don't mind doing this because I've got another one, but look at the clay inside. Somebody put this clay in. It looks like cement. Let's see if this one comes out. Yeah. So as you can see, now we can see I need to drill that as well. So this should come apart. Well, I will drill that. Actually, I've got a drill here. And this should come off as it comes. You can see. So this we don't need anymore. And when we put the new one in, that is going to be a lot easier. As you can see, that's a bit smaller, but doesn't matter. I will glue this in anyway. I don't think I will have this as a working part. Let's cut this off. So that's done. And let's cut this off as well. And this should go together. Yeah, it will go together. I need to glue it, but apart from that, it's okay. And I will match these, and they're gonna be down. So this will go like this. so it should be all right. Okay, so I will take off the axles and tires. I'm gonna clean them up and paint stripping and painting. Some details I will do on the front, headlights, but apart from that it's actually pretty easy and it goes together very quick as well. That will click on, I will work on that and that's it. Okay, paint stripping. I managed to take 2 off, but this one is really short and also they're pretty rusty. As you can see, they're very rusty, so I think I'm going to cut this and I'll fit in a new one. I have plenty, so I will take this off. I will cut this off here and I can take them out and take the wheels off. So assembly time, it's almost done really. I put the wheels on and for the first time I actually glued the two body parts together, as you can see, and after I cleared it, so that's where the glue is. I've done the detailings. The only thing I need to do is to put the salmon mixer on, which I'm going to glue on. So I will put a little bit, let's come a bit closer. There we go. So I'm going to put a little bit glue here and on the pin, and then I'm going to glue that one to this one. So let's see, let's put a little bit glue here. This glue, as you know, dries clean, so clear, so you won't be seeing anything. So that should stay there. And then I'm going to add glue inside this. Around. And that should seal this part to here. It's not my favorite model, I have to tell you. The only reason I've done this is because I've got the salmon mixer, otherwise I wouldn't do it. Boring and nothing special really. I like more challenging restorations. But anyway, let's put this on the turntable and let's see what we've done. So this is the salmon mixer before restoration. As you can see, the salmon mixer is broken and full of clays, a bit chipped, and needed a restoration, needed a TLC. So this is our new Matchbox salmon mixer, new paint and new replacement parts. I think it looks good. So there's another Matchbox restored, a little one, and this time it's this salmon mixer. It rolls good, as much as an older Matchbox rolls. So I've done some details. I glued back the cement mixer bit, and I've done the wheels as well, cleaned them up. And first time I glued the parts together before I cleared it. So, but I find it easier to do it rather than glue it after the clear coat. So I hope you did enjoy this video, guys. If yes, please give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and please give me a comment down below. What do you think of this restoration or my previous ones? I should have another video next Friday, which I think might be the diecast restorations without a video, because it's the end of the month. So stay tuned for that, guys. Cheers, enjoy your Friday, have a nice weekend, and see you next week. Cheers, guys, take care, and bye bye now.